Come along with me as I tour a deluxe studio at the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. As you walk into this room, you will see this gorgeous bathroom right off the front door. Now, this is a stand-up shower with Riverstone tile floor. You've got a latrine next to it with frosted glass for privacy. And then behind me, a beautiful vanity with 2 mirrors, lighting around the mirrors, and one sink. Now, as you exit the bathroom, you've got your closet, which has the safe, a little bit of storage where you can put a suitcase, and then you walk into the main part of the studio. Now, Disney really did design this utilizing every square inch of space that they could possibly get. Now, this is the kitchen design, kind of an alley-style kitchen. Now, to the right, you've got a nice little seating area, as well as a countertop, some storage, and a place to plug in your electronics. Now, if we head back over to the kitchen, you'll see that Disney has now put in a dishwasher. They're trying to get rid of the paper plates and the plastic, so they're going to go a little more eco-friendly. The countertops here are very spacious. You've got the microwave, a Keurig for the coffee maker, but they did a great job of designing this room and using every inch. This artwork is absolutely beautiful. It looks just like the South Pacific, a nice flat screen TV, some shelving, beautiful view out the window, and it could vary depending on which section of the resort you're on. There's 2 queen-size beds. This is a drop-down Murphy bed with Tafiti in the background as your mural, so sweet dreams. And I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tour. What do you think? Will you be making a reservation to stay here? Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more DVC room and room tour videos. Have a wonderful day.